Hello to all my friends in Andheri East and residing in nearby areas. Let me introduce myself. I'm the founder of Kachori Gali Banaras Wali, a quick service traditional fast food outlet based in Marol, Andheri East. The concept of my restaurant is to give those traditional kind of delicacies from Kachori Gali, which is a street in Banaras, very popular street in Banaras, in a quick service format, which are hard to find kind of traditional quick bites. So let me take you through a very quick tour of my restaurant. So here's a quick tour of my outlet. So this is Kachori Gali Banaras Wali outlet, based on this busy street in Marol, Andheri East. And it's a very connected area here. So if you see, just take a look at the outlet also. You see there is a small seating area for people to sit and have food. It's a ledge. There is a television also to entertain people. Here's the counter. There are certain over-the-counter items for selling. For example, that is Banarsi pickle. So, to just give you a quick overview of the items available at my outlet. If you see, there are all-day specials here. If you see, this is a very famous Banarsi samosa. Okay, so it has exactly the flavor, the way you would get samosa in the north. So absolutely mimicking the North Indian samosa taste. Then you have this very popular cooler, Banarsi lassi, which is served in a cooler. You have thandai. If you see, this is the very signature item of Kachori Gali street in Banaras, which is the Bedni Puri sabzi. Right? Then you have Banarsi chai. It's a very flavorful chai made up of in-house masalas sourced from the north side, from Banaras. And then you have stuffed kachoris, where you have stuffing of aloo, matar, paneer, sattu. Okay, this is the way it is served at the outlet. If you see, it is served in a pattal. And you have the very hard to find item and a very hot favorite from here, which is litti chokha. You have paratha. So there are many variants of paratha that is available here. And you have the ever popular chole bhatura. So these are the very popular signature items here at Kachori Gali, which is available all day. Apart from this, we also have lots of new specials. Okay, so it caters to your lunch and dinner requirements. If you see, there is this very popular signature Maa Ki Thali, which is very economically priced, a budget-friendly thali. And for the price that it has, it serves really excellent food. Okay, really excellent food. And then you have the Banarsi thali, okay, which is a deluxe kind of thali, and it has all the flavors of Banaras. If you really are craving for tasting a balanced meal from Banaras, then this is the thali to go for. We have a lot of traditional sabzis, okay, a lot of traditional special sabzis that we offer, and there are rice meals, okay, so like chole chawal, rajma chawal, and similarly you can pair up all of these sabzis with combos. So we have, like the rice meals, we have puri, plain paratha and lacha paratha combos. So this is overall the the scope of the menu that is there in Kachori Gali. It's not a very extensive menu, but we have kept it in such a manner that it kind of satisfies your cravings for traditional bites from north. So if you are particularly from the north, craving for food from your end, you're a migrant, you don't have the time to cook, okay, then you should definitely consider ordering from Kachori Gali. So if you're really wanting to taste this food, you can order this online from Swiggy, Zomato, Magic Pen, or you can also order directly from kachorigali.com, or you can call or WhatsApp them